52, and I know every day we chat, I'm either telling you about a cold front, a warm front, another cold front, or a chance for snow, and today's not an exception. We've got a very strong system that is moving into our direction, and look how large it is. It goes all the way down in portions of Louisiana, continues to go all the way up heading towards New York. Now, as it pushes into our direction, since it is coming in from the west, moving to the east, a lot of it will break up, which is some really great news for us. You can actually already see we had some really strong storms earlier on, but they have since begun to decrease in strength. Now just seeing more in the way of some rain in that particular area. But one thing's for sure that will stay consistent is the fact that we're going to be dealing with high wind for today. And of course, that is exactly the reason that we are now under a slight risk for these severe storms, because wind is a part of the storm system. And that's why we are going to continue to watch out for today. So high profile vehicles, something you want to stay alert on. Parking under a tree. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we did have some power outages because these winds are rather rampant already. Now, temperatures feel pretty nice, don't they? I mean, we're coming in the 50s and 60s. If you have anything you want to do, well, do it over the next 30 minutes or so because these winds are going to head up and they're already pretty high in the city. Kristen was looking at some cameras earlier on thanks to VDOT and they were just bobbing back and forth. So maybe your security cameras outside your house, make sure they are pretty stable because these winds aren't anything to mess around with. Right now they're coming in out of the south, pushing northward 23 miles per hour is your sustained wind in the city, 14 in Tappahannock, 15 in Farmville. However, they're gusting into the 30s, and these winds will continue to go up as our system pushes closer. And the time frame of the system is looking to take place late morning through early afternoon. So that's within the next few hours. So these winds aren't going anywhere until about 3 o'clock this afternoon. Now, as you go into the evening hours, you'll notice the winds will go down, skies will clear, and your temperatures will plummet. Now, when it comes to this type system, it tends to break up when it heads over the mountains. And then a lot of times it does get back together, gaining a little bit momentum. So I am looking to see a few showers taking place, even a few embedded thunderstorms around the lunch hour. But everyone will be dealing with the wind. All this is going to clear out and it's going to get pretty chilly tomorrow. I mean, we're waking up in the 30s. Tomorrow afternoon, still sunny. Highs will be in the mid 50s. We stay warm going into Friday near 70, and then our next system pushes in. This time around, there is a chance for some wet snow. We've got cold air with us. We've got that moisture, and that's why we are looking to see potentially some wet snow. We're still going to keep a very close eye on this. If that does happen, really just seeing accumulations on grassy surfaces. And of course, it's spring. You've got an extended time frame of sunshine, so melting will be rapid. Sunday 53 will be in the 50s on Monday. Tuesday dry again. But today, main threat are going to be these winds. They're already pushing in 23 miles per hour. And I do look for some of us to have gusts near 40. Guys.